Hey guys, okay, so today we're gonna go to IKEA slash Marshalls because it's right next door, and we're gonna see if we can find some decor for our condo. Mama wants to see if they got some towels there she can get. So we're gonna go to IKEA and Marshalls. Let's go. Be dangerous. Oh, here's our resident kitty cat. What's up, little dude? Right now? Okay. Look at me for a second with your camera. And I'll explain to the watchers that Nancy is going to do the filming this time on the way down Isla Verde, on the way to IKEA and Bayamon. So she's the director. All right.
Okay, so we just came out of the parking structure. It's kind of weird because there's a lot of one-way streets.
Yeah, depending on the traffic.
Now, hopefully we don't come across any crazy drivers.
Oh, you know we will. Yeah.
We gotta do a funky right, then a funky another right, and then we're on Isla Verde, which is our main drag.
The guy just went around in a circle. He'll figure it out.
Restaurant.
I swear, you'll see people driving like they don't know how to drive.
Coming up on the right is my favorite bar, Loopy's with the orange roof. There is Loopy's and they've got a delivery. There's Loopy's. Is somebody afraid to go over the speed bump?
No, I think this guy's turning left, but he doesn't understand that he just go and everybody stops for you. No, they're stopping for you. Go, 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 go. There you go. You got it. You just do it.
El San Juan Hotel, Church's Chicken on the left, Burger King.
Farmacia.
What's that right there?
I'm at kilometers. I can't figure out how to get some miles.
We rented a car there once.
Yep, I cannot figure out how to get this on miles. Beach entry.
There's beach entry. This goes straight to the freeway. And we're almost there. So that is Isla Verde.
Okay, so today is Three Kings Day, and we took a trip to IKEA in Bayamon because we got to get a couple things. And everything said they were open, and here we are, and there's 3 cars in the entire parking lot, probably maintenance. So that was a strike. Not sure if we should try another IKEA or not. Maybe we can find another one and give them a call. So on we go. Okay, day 2, round 2. It's not a holiday today, so we're gonna get back to IKEA again, and hopefully they'll be open today. I'm pretty sure they are. And we're gonna go find a table and a couple other odds and ends, and we're probably gonna hit Walmart and then yeah, get some stuff that we needed. It's always fun to go shopping here on the island. Okay, let's go. Okay, we just got to IKEA. Got us a nice little parking spot way at the furthest corner of the parking lot. This place is packed today. The sun is hot today and it's January. Okay. No, we gotta go down there. Underground parking there. So that was fun. Yeah. We found a table we wanted, so we bought it. Now we have to go to the warehouse to pick it up. We were on the second floor. We just wanted to get out, and the elevator doesn't have a down button. It only goes up, and there's no down escalators. So you have to walk the entire store to get out of there. So we just waited for the elevator to come up, and we jumped on it and went down. So now we get to go find this warehouse, which I think we've been to once before, and go pick up this table. Yep. All right, so we're at the warehouse across the street. Gotta go pick this table up. I hope this is quick because I'm hungry. All right, so we just left IKEA and now we're at Walmart. This is pretty cool. Plaza del Sol. Look at that. Okay, so we're back at Walmart, a different Walmart. This one's only one story. No. So we're looking for a laundry basket. We spent 2 years looking for ice cube trays. Finally found some. But you can't always find what you're looking for. Okay, so we made it to IKEA. Quick 16-minute drive. Crazy, twisty, turning roads, but here we are. Beautiful Carolina. Ah. Ah. There's a bigger one here.
That's it.
Get out. So many pictures to choose from. They've got a good variety, but I don't know. Look at this.
5 aisles.
That's cool.
5 aisles of pictures, plus end caps. There must be 100 pictures here.
But we will find one. The perfect one. And we'll show you once it's up. So we just got some towels. Marshalls is laid out in no particular way. You just gotta roam the whole store. Now we need to find some ice cubes. Lots of kind of cool stuff here though. Oh, Mama found something.
I don't have any room for knickknacks.
Only under the TV, and that's. Well, that was interesting. Couldn't find any ice cube trays. Did not find a picture worthy of our wall, so we're gonna hit another Marshalls. We're gonna pass on IKEA, which is next door anyways, but we did get some towels. Pretty cool. Little hand towels have little starfish on them. But anyways, on to find another Marshalls, hopefully close by. So quite common in a lot of the store areas, you'll have a guard tower where they overlook the parking lot and make sure everybody's safe and okay. Okay, we are in, not sure, Caguas, I believe, at the other Marshalls. They look pretty busy today.
Marshall's Mega Store.
Mega store. That's what we want to hear. All right,
Shucks.
I'm just gonna down. Okay, you're good.
There's Marshall's Mega Store.
Okay, so we finally found a parking spot. And that's where we gotta go, right there, so not too bad. It's like playing musical chairs. You just gotta wait for somebody to pull out and then you can pull in. Alright, on to see if we can find some goodies. I smell coffee. Well, we struck out of the picture, but we're gonna hit another Marshalls and see, maybe, you know? Gotta keep looking. What a nice mall, though. I think we've been here before. I think this Home Depot is where we got our refrigerator from. Back there. Okay, though. Search continues. Okay, so we made it to our third Marshalls. Hopefully they have what we're looking for. You don't know unless you go look.